Today we are shopping Trader Joe's flowers and creating a DIY floral arrangement on a $20 budget. Let's see what we find. Okay, so let's get into these Trader Joe's flowers that I found today. Okay guys, so what do you guys think about these flowers that I found? From Trader Joe's here, my budget was $20, but I did go a little bit over. These came to $23, might as well say $24. 23 and some change. So I wanted to keep my budget right at 20, but this is what we're dealing with. I really was looking for like that pretty blue that you're seeing this summer. I think it's, I'm not sure of the color, if it's like periwinkle or what color that is, but I ended up going with the purple and yellow. And I actually feel like I'm representing like Lakers here. If you're a Laker fan, which I like the Lakers, but I don't know that I love them enough to be represented with my flowers. But let's see how this color combination works out and what we can do. I do have a few flowers left over from last week that look pretty good. Some filler flowers. And those ones are like maybe like a violet purple. So I think that could work as well. So I'm just gonna open these up here. Get everything opened up. I have my trash bag right off to the side. And me, I really lately, since it's the summertime, I'm really loving all the florals. I've always been a floral girly, but this season it really makes me want to keep fresh flowers in my home. We have our baby's breath. I'm gonna cut them down because I have these little small vases. And that's just gonna be way too big. So I'm gonna cut these down. I may have to cut them down even more. But I'm gonna start there with my baby's breath. And I'm gonna clean up as I go. I gotta see the name of these ones. I wanna tell you guys, these are chamomile. I believe these ones are edible. Are they edible like the chamomile tea? I've seen these on plates of food. Really pretty. Even just to have this with the baby's breath, I feel like both of those are really, really pretty together. I was really drawn to these as well. I also think, and I've said this several times, but I think the Trader Joe's flowers are like the best deal around. And if you're celebrating something or need a gift or just for yourself, because I can buy myself flowers. Okay, I won't try to sing to you guys, but that always makes me think of that song. And I think like growing up, I really felt like I couldn't buy myself flowers. So having just pretty flowers is something that you can do for yourself, and it's also fun, beautiful. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time. I was also at Hobby Lobby already, you guys. And have you guys seen they have Hobby Lobby? I think that might be the store that starts the earliest.
Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
Okay, so here are my 2 arrangements. I think they came out really, really pretty. I'm not used to like so much purple and yellow, but I really love this arrangement and I'm happy with it. If you enjoyed this type of content, you want to see what I create next, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the things. And remember, life is just about the small joys. I think when you look back at life, you'll realize that the small moments are what made life wonderful. See you in the next one.